Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome. If you are returning, welcome on back. So by the look of the title, y'all already know what it is. Your girl is Coachella ready, so I decided let's go all out with some Coachella glam. So if you are interested in seeing how I achieve this look, keep on watching. Alright, so I only have one eye partially done, but I'm just gonna walk us through how I got this part and then finish the rest of my look, okay? Okay. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just take a little concealer. This is my Makeup Revolution concealer in the color C10. And I'm just going to prime my eyelids. And I'm going extra hardcore because I want my eye makeup to stick. I mean, like, all day. Alright, and now that I have my eyelid primed, I'm just going to take a little bit of my Cover FX translucent powder in the color Light and set everything into place so we have no problems throughout the rest of the day. We want this look to last. We want it to last. Alright, so moving forward, I'm going to be kind of using the Morphe 35B palette and the Festivals palette by Juvia's Place. Just gonna go between the two because I love all of the colors in both of those palettes. Alright, so with my blending brush, I'm just gonna go in, I wanna say, yeah, this color right here, and I'm just going to buff that into my crease until I like what I see. This is a nice little pinkish purple color, which pink is my signature color, so why not add that as my transition color today. And I'm a little on the ghetto side because I really like to just kind of outline a little bit using like tape. I'm too lazy to grab the tape, so I just grab what was around. And I literally just kind of place, you know, whatever I'm using just to kind of outline where I want my eyeshadow to stretch to, if that makes any sense. And it helps me, especially when I'm doing my liner, because it is kind of a challenge at times. But yeah. Let's see. Okay, this works. This works. So now I have, it's almost like coloring in the lines, like if you like to color. Now that I have like a point, I know where not to cross those lines. And then I'm just gonna blend this in until I like what I see. I'm not going really too ham with the transition color because I mean, nobody's really gonna see it, but I'm gonna pack it on as much as possible. Blending is like the hardest part of makeup, I think, next to making a wing liner with liquid eyeliner. But man, the things we do to look good. Alright, I can live with that. I can live with that. So next, taking my little bullet, I like to call it my bullet crease brush, and this is my Real Techniques bullet brush. And I'm just going to take this color right here, this, not the deepest purple, but purple nonetheless. And I'm literally just going to dab away around my eye until I like what I see. Kind of like a halo eye, but not quite, because y'all know I love these gradient looks, so I kind of want things to kind of mesh together. But I'm just gonna dab away onto my eyelids because I really want a nice, how can I say this, because I really look like I'm going to like an Omega probate, but I'm not. I just really like the colors purple and gold together. But you know, hey, I added some pink, so it is what it is. So I'm just gonna add this to the outer corner and inner corner, and I'm kind of doing it in a diagonal way just so that I don't go overboard with the actual darker shade, because if you go too overboard, you might look like somebody decked you in your eye, and we don't want that. And not everything can be saved with a blend, so gotta be careful. And I'm taking it up just a little bit towards my crease, like where it meets my eye socket, just so that I'll have somewhere to go and blend this thing out to make it look like how I want it to look. Alright, and then taking my blending brush, what I'm going to be doing is I'm just going to be lightly blending in the dark purple with the pink, just so that there are no harsh lines, there's no patchiness, there's no extra anything. We want everything to be seamless, flawless, and look good, okay? That's what we're going for. And I want to make sure that it looks gradient, but you can tell that there are two colors as opposed to it's just one color that I just kind of placed all over my eyelid. Alright, now that we've got that out of the way, we can put the blending brush and crease brush away for a sec. And I'm just going to be taking, I'm just going to be taking my clay paint pot. I don't know why I keep calling it a clay paint pot, but it is my paint pot from M.A.C in the color Soft Ochre. And if I could just find, one second. Okay, so I found my brush. So, crisis averted. Alright, so I'm gonna continue to apply this paint pot until I like what I see, until it looks as much like my right eye as possible. But hey, these are fraternal twins, not identical. So as long as they look kind of alike, we're good, we're good. So taking my Juvia's Place, I'm just gonna go in with this gold color right here. And I'm just going to tap that all over my eyelid. Alright, so now that I kind of like what I see right now, I'm just going to go back in with that purple shade, and I'm just going to just kind of blend everything out to make sure that there are no harsh lines. And I'm using the wrong brush. That is a no-no. I'm going to take my crease brush again, and I'm just going to just tap away to make sure everything looks like normal and seamless, and it doesn't look like we tried too hard. And if you go overboard with this particular part, it is okay. You can always add a little bit more of the gold shade. I just would recommend you use some primer water. Alright, so now for the right brush, I'm just gonna lightly blend in where the purple and the gold meet to make sure everything is seamless. And that I don't like, I will grab my primer water, which is over here somewhere. Oh, there it is. And finish it off to make sure that the gold stays vibrant. Alright, so I'm gonna go back in with my Juvia's Place, and I'm just going to take that gold shade again and fill in until I'm comfortable with what I got going on. Alright, so this is the part of my makeup routine that has not changed. So I'm going to go ahead, do the rest of my face off camera, and come back and finish out the rest of our look for Coachella, okay? Alright, y'all, I am back. I went on ahead off camera and did the rest of my face, my eyeliner, highlighter, blush, etc, etc. But don't worry, I'm not going to play y'all. It's going to be all in the description box, so have no fear, I got y'all, okay? But to finish off the rest of my look, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to take that purple shade, and then I'm just going to just do what I do till I like what I see. And then to add just a little bit more dramatic effect, I'm just going to take my jumbo eye pencil from NYX. This is in the color Purple Velvet, and I'm just going to tight line just a little bit, you know, just to be extra. And then I'm going to take that smudge brush and just kind of smoke it out just a little bit so it can be hella dramatic. I might either really mess up my look or nail my look right now, because I'm going to try M.A.C, one of their new glitters. It's in the color Pink Hologram. I'll put it in the description box below per usual. And I'm gonna see if I can beat a little bit more extra for this particular look. You know what I'm saying? I'm just gonna take this NYX glitter primer and I'm literally just kind of put it wherever I want this glitter to sit. So I'm just going to take the brush that I used for the gold shade because it's a little bit firmer, and I'm just gonna just tap away, see what I see. So far so good, y'all. So far so good. And just pat everything in, make sure everything is secure. Definitely want to cover up the glue as much as possible so it can look like you didn't try as hard as you did. So we're gonna see what happens, you know. All right, so I'm gonna finish my other eye off camera and I will be back to complete the look. So stay tuned. She looks cute. I went on ahead and found one of my little cute sheer wigs from the vault. Decided to put her on because she looks cute. So the last thing that we have to do is my lips. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my Smashbox, like literally I just ordered this like a couple days ago, and it is the Smashbox Be Legendary Pucker Up Lipstick Palette, I believe that's what it's called. Let me show y'all what this color is looking like. So this is what we have right here. So let me move it around for you. Yeah, so this is a nice springtime lip palette, but also it is a nice fall palette, you know, a little liner, a little gloss. I feel like this could be a year-round kind of thing. So let's just get into it. You know, I just want to see what it looks like. So I think I'm just going to take this, I want to say I'm going to just go in with this color right here, just because I don't want to be a little too extra, because my eyes are already popping, my under eyes are already popping, so my lips need to be a little on the subtle side, just a little on the subtle side. And then I'm gonna go in, don't think I'm crazy, but I'm gonna go in with this color right here, and I am going to do what I do. So I'm just going to take my Fenty Beauty Gloss Bomb, like literally I use this every day. I've probably gone through like 3 tubes of this because it's so universal. So I'm just gonna gloss down my lips until your girl likes what she sees, okay? I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. Okay, anywho, I digress. Queen Bee just came up over me. I don't know what happened. I don't know. But yeah, this is the completed look. If you like it, make sure that you give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, I don't know what else to tell you or ask you other than to just do it like Nike. But yeah, you know, come join the fam. We are lit over here, all right? Also, make sure that you're connecting with me on all my social media platforms because I'm lit over there too. But yeah, y'all, that's all the time that your girl has today. So remember, until my next upload, that kindness don't cost you a thing, but your attitude will cost you everything. So remember to be kind and be you.